Taking regular backups of your ISIS system changes is vitally important, and yet we know from calls to our support desk that many of you simply don't take backups. If you don't do it, one day you're going to pay the price and you're going to lose some important data. So please watch this tutorial as I show you just how very easy it is to take backups of everything that could change within your ISIS setup. Let me show you some things that you could change to ISIS that you need to take a secure backup. First and foremost, of course, you need to save your cases. You always usually remember to save those, although not everyone does. Alternatively, what if you've made additions into the repertory, into My Repertory? You would want to save those for future use. In Materia Medica, what if you've added your own entries into the My Notes sections, lectures, handouts, remedy information? Just remember, if your computer went wrong and you didn't have a backup, you would lose all this information. Similarly in remedies, if you for example have amended the remedy keynotes or amended the remedy relationships or added your own, if you don't take a backup of this information, you're going to lose it all. So having given the cautionary note to you, let me show you just how easy it is for you to take a regular backup of everything you've changed in ISIS. It's as simple as clicking the File menu and then the option that says Backup/Restore. The top half of the screen is concerned with taking a backup and the bottom half is concerned with performing a restore. As you can see, everything is ticked. Normally you would want to back up everything that had changed, which is why everything had ticked. So you can see here all of your multimedia, your Materia Medica notes, your cases, your keynotes, your relationships, your repertory additions. If you amend the synonyms and your patient notes will all be saved and backed up if you just click the backup button like this. When you do that, ISIS is ready to create a backup archive for you called a zip file. It gives you the name of ISIS backup and the date on the screen and asks you to tell ISIS where you want the backup saved. I always recommend you save to the desktop so it's perfectly visible, and don't forget, the fact that you've taken a backup of your ISIS data isn't the end of the story. You then need to copy the file, the archive file, to, for example, a CD-ROM or a DVD or any removable media, for example a USB drive, that you use to secure your backups. In the old days we used to use floppy disks, but they're so small in capacity no one uses those anymore. So you need a USB key, a CD burner, a DVD burner or a separate hard disk drive to save the backup archive. But really it's just as simple as clicking save. And if you should ever need to perform a restore, it's just the opposite. You just click restore, you tell ISIS where the backup file is and click open, and all of your changes will be put back. It's so easy to do a backup and restore. Please make sure you do it on a regular basis, maybe weekly or at least once a month, just to make sure you don't lose your vitally important data.